Jam with Sam. Jam with Sam.
Tell me something about your business. What is the basic intent of your business? What do you do exactly?
In 2000, Government of India feel a need about the in insurance field who can deliver some knowledge-based domain-based knowledge-based education or products to the people, corporate people. So they constitute a institute called IRDA, Insurance Regulatory Authority of India, Development Authority, and this broker category comes into picture. Okay, and then they started they based some norms, strict norms and regulation and some networks and stuff, all these things.
Okay.
And they started giving the licenses. So we have applied in 2004 sometimes, and we get a license in 2004, end of the 2004. So we start our business, we get the license of doing broker. And we started in 2005, April we started. So we have completed 7 years. So basically I take a couple of minutes because so many people also don't know about this till now. New concept, basically brokers work for client.
Okay.
So like agents work for company, insurance company. Like whose agent is ICICI agents, LIC agents. So we work for client. Whatever client, we analyze the need of the client, whether it's life or non-life. We have our own knowledge-based people. We have a whole team, underwriting team and claim team and marketing team. Yeah, our own team. And we try to analyze the need of the people, and then we suggest a solution. And we can suggest solution from all the company. Like maximum we suggest 3-4 options always. So there is at least 27-28 company in non-life segment, and there is 27 companies in life segment.
Okay.
So we can work with anyone. It's our choice. It depends on our client's choice. We recommend them which product is good, because we know what is the in and out of the company.
Absolutely.
So which product for which client we can suggest, and we can also negotiate because the D tariff. So I think we can go to a lot of goodies to the client in the last 5 years. You know, with like people. Client paying say premium of 50 lakhs is come down to drastically to 10 lakh rupees.
Okay.
That type of 70-80% we try to negotiate with the company, and then your business starts. So you can always negotiate. You have more power to negotiate than agent or anyone. The more you do the business, more you have more muscle power. Also. So this is the idea basically. So then we give the need based, analysis based, and give the education, because we believe in learn before you buy. Rather than sale. And educate and market, sale will happen automatically.
Absolutely.
So our basically vision and mission, our company think on this line.
Okay. What is the kind of staff strength you have with you?
Currently we have 120 plus.
120 people.
120 people.
Okay. So these people all sit in the office, or they are in the field, or what sort of?
All. We 50-60 people are outside Bombay, and 60-70 people are here.
Okay.
Two office we are outside. And half of the staffs are sitting in office, like I told you about the finance department or underwriting department. Life, non-life.
Okay.
Two segments are different. And then marketing people.
They look after that.
They look after the different verticals.
And which cities are you? You said out of Bombay also. Which cities are you in?
We are at Rajasthan and Gujarat, predominantly, currently.
So you have your own office set up over there?
There, Kota and Baroda.
Okay.
And we are expanding in next month, more 6 offices next month.
Okay. So you're looking to start your own offices, you're looking to tie up with people over there?
No. It's not work tie up.
It's not work.
We have to have somebody there.
Okay.
And then you expand. Like, depends on your vertical, how you want to expand.
Okay.
So that we do a lot of permutation combination sometimes.
Absolutely.
Different ideas, different work, and we can always work it out.
So, I mean, traditionally people are always, I think, LIC. LIC has been, the big white or what kind of elephant, the
Whatever elephant you call, but the elephant.
800-pound gorilla,
Gorilla.
And then I think Max New York Life and all came out after that.
I told 2000, government passed the law to enter the insurance company. So after 2001 only all this company came out. All the company
But people traditionally they still favor LIC. But I've seen I've compared the kind of policies and all. LIC has always been much more expensive than the other players. But still people they have faith in LIC. कि कुछ होएगा तो LIC है. बाकी foreign company कुछ नहीं करेगा. So what do you have to say about that?
It's a good question you asked me. So let me tell you whatever the audience we have, and also maybe interview will be posted. This is a myth. This is a myth that this company are run away. It's not like that. Any company comes, they have to go through the stringent norms. I think stringent norms of India currently, whenever the insurance sector, we have to send the photos of our office. Your office don't do anything other than insurance.
Okay.
Like the stringent, they say to you have PC or not. Everybody has to do the same insurance only. in your office you can't do anything else except insurance.
Okay.
If they come, if they find something, they fine us, or maybe they suspended my license.
Okay.
So in my office, I can only do insurance.
Okay.
The rule by rule. Well, so many stringent rules. So all the insurance company has to go through the so much stringent rule, and IRDA is authority. So they take care of all these things.
Okay.
Then marginal solvency ratio. So there is no way anything wrong will happen with any company.
Okay.
Let me believe me. Absolutely not possible.
Okay.
Absolutely not possible.
So you're saying all these foreign companies are pretty safe doing
It's
that
an Indian company basically. 26% is foreign company. Say Tata AIA. So it's 26% of Tata AIA and 74% is Tata. So
Tata, okay.
can you believe Tata will go bankrupt?
I don't think so.
Bas, so that's all. Yeah. So Birla Sun Life 26. So any Indian company is only 74.
Okay.
Outside companies are 26%. There is going on for you may be all heard like in Parliament also they're trying 49%, but currently is 26 for 74.
Okay.
So 74% is the Indian partner and 76% only a foreign company.
Okay.
Who bring the basically technology rather than money. They bring the technology and operation and they teach you how to do the business rather than money part. Money part is all are well. Capital, all are capital, I think more than 1,000 crore, 5,500 crore, 1,000 crore, they pouring money like anything. And today they are the more solvency ratio is there. IRDA check solvency ratio.
Okay.
So
you think that
take any policy, no issue.
So you think that your company will be better than going to an agent?
Obviously. No, obviously, because obviously we don't want to charge anything, first of all,
Okay.
obviously. And we have people of domain knowledge, we understand your needs. Like otherwise what happens, see, nothing against agent, but he run his home from this. We don't run our home from this.
Okay.
So there is a basic difference because we are company. So, we see to it ki whatever you want, we try to give you.
Okay.
Rather than, we also don't say, for example, some people say, we always advise, don't buy now. You can buy after 1 year. You don't need this. So, practically it's very transparent and we give advice, exactly what they require. If they don't require,
You don't.
you
don't do that.
No sense.
Okay. Now, how do you market or spread across your ideas? How do you market your product and service over there, and for your reach and
Obviously,
customers?
initial to some reference, but obviously reference it has limitation. It has own limitation. Then also we have our call center.
Okay.
Yeah. So we can also reach to the people by call center, and obviously media. You take care of social media. And nowadays, last 3-4 months, I think we go a lot of people are inquiring about a lot of things, and people coming to our sites also. And reference, and we can call to people. And then once reputation, you increase the reputation, then people keep calling. Or whoever the satisfied customer, and they also give the reference to my people, so they go to somewhere else.
Okay.
So by all means, but ultimately in India, predominantly still this online selling or online buying is not there in insurance because people want some interface. They are still resistant. Okay, for 100 rupees, 500 rupees they can buy.
Absolutely.
But if they want to buy something 10,000, 15,000 rupees, they can't go to website and buy without calling or without talking to someone. So we always try to see that and we understand that need. That's why we just launch a portal. Maybe you
Insurance
didn't make
Bazaar.
it that day.
Yeah.
So Insurance Bazaar. So we didn't give in our portal any comparison with other portal give.
Okay.
Because I believe ki if I am giving you 15 comparison, then what is my work then? Then I am not your consultant. Then all 1 hour you jargon and then you again question yourself ki why this company is less and why this company is more. You confuse yourself only ki why he is asking 10,000 rupees, why is asking 7,000 rupees, whom to call. So ultimately what you do, you pick up from there, you call your agent. So website is no use. So we try to develop our website, insurancebazaar.in, and we try to first knowledge base, to learn first what you are buying. Second, you ask us for generate what you want. And then we give you within 1 hour, let's say our time is like 1 hour, something like that. We give you 3 or 4 lead.
Okay.
And then again, if you want some, also you want to talk interface, there is a phone, you pick up the call and call us.
Okay.
So, in Indian people is still satisfied with the fun phone call.
I know.
I think it will take time, 5 to 10 years without no human face. It will take time.
It's basically a personalized product which is required over there.
Maybe person know also, but people giving 50,000, 1 lakh rupees, he want to know who's the person, who's the company, and same this going on ki mera paisa chala to nahi jayega company, something like that ki there is a foreign company or this company or that company, So that is, it will take time because no one is doing education work.
Absolutely.
Problem is that, so we are starting.
Okay.